In this video, I want to reveal to you trigger trades. These are specialized trades that allow traders and ordinary investors to trade extremely volatile markets, trading just one stock. And these trigger trades help you to magnify your gains over the short term. So I'm going to explain how these work, what they are, and at the end of the video, I'm also going to give you 2 stocks that allow you to tap in to these trigger trades. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Okay, just something very quickly I've got to explain. I'm not an expert at this. I've just literally found this out in the past couple of days from an expert trader I follow called Larry Benedict. So I'm no guru trader. I just want to make that clear. I'm just sharing what I'm learning with you, giving you ideas so you can magnify your gains as a trader or an investor. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I'm not an expert at this. I'm just going to give you the basic info here. And if you want to go deeper down this rabbit hole, I'll give you the resources that will allow you to do that. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So Trump has caused, an absolute storm in the markets because of all his tariffs and all of the financial reforms that he wants to do. And this is causing chaos in the stock markets. Now, traditionally, a lot of investors and traders are put off by volatility that don't like it. They just want to see, their stocks going up. But the thing is high volatility to smart investors and traders, as a player, can mean big profits. And this is where master trader Larry Benedict has found a really, really smart and easy way to trade the volatility, trading just one stock you can find in your brokerage account. Now, I've got some notes here that are going to keep me on track. So I want to give you the best information possible, get it out. So what are these trigger trades? So they're basically very specialized funds, and they're called leveraged exchange traded funds. And now these funds are designed to amplify the short-term gains, usually over a day or two, of an underlying index or stock by 2 to 3 times, maybe even 4 times. So basically, if a stock's going up, you trade one of these special funds. It just amplifies your gains, and they can do this by using financial derivatives and debt. So it's basically leveraged trading. They're great for short-term trades, either over a day or a couple of days. This is basically what they're designed to do. And they basically bring in magnifying gains, but also, if you get it wrong, you can lose as well. Nothing's amazing. Now, the really exciting thing about these trigger trades is not only can you profit if a stock's going up, you can also profit going when a stock's going down. And if you see the market falling, you can trade inverse LETFs that basically rally when a stock is dropping. So they've really sort of exploded recently because of all the market volatility, and a lot of these LETFs available in your standard brokering account, and you just buy them as you would buy a normal stock. So you're not, trading options here or futures. You just literally buy a stock in the LETFs, and you're exposed to the underlying stock that LETF is mirroring. Now, I promised I'd give you one of these LETFs, one of the hottest AI stocks out there. And the 2 LETFs I'm going to give you are tracking Nvidia's price. So get a pen and paper because, this stuff is hot off the press. So, so basically Nvidia is the hottest AI stock out there. And basically you've got two of these LETFs that you can trade to basically mirror and magnify Nvidia's price moves, whether they go up or down. So the first one, if Nvidia's stock's going up, just very quickly before I give you this isn't a trade recommendation. I'm not recommending a trade. I'm just letting you know what these LETFs are for Nvidia, so you can go and do your own research. If you want to trade them, I'd seriously recommend you follow a professional trader so you can minimize any losses you make. And I recommend Larry Benedict for this. And if you want to join his one ticket trader, where I learned of this from, I'll leave a link in the comment description below for you. But anyway, the first one, if Nvidia stock's going up, you want to trade this LETF. It's called the T-Rex 2X Long Nvidia Daily Target ETF. The ticker is NVDX. If Nvidia is going down, you want to trade the T-Rex 2X Inverse Nvidia Daily Target ETF, NVDQ. So by trading these two LETFs, if there's volatility in Nvidia's stock price, you can trade one to magnify the gains when Nvidia stock's going up, and inversely, if Nvidia stock's going down, you use the inverse ETF. Great. This is all new to me as well. I'm definitely going to give this a go. I think it's a really exciting and easier way for normal investors to magnify their gains over the short term, trading just one stock. Exciting strategy. I've not heard this before. Very excited about it. If you want to learn more about it on a much greater level than I can give you, highly recommend you watch Larry Benedict's presentation he recently did. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, where he goes over in depth all of his trigger trades, which are basically triggered by Trump's tariffs. There's obviously other LETFs you can trade that Larry gives in order to trade all of his volatility from Trump's tariffs. So if you want to watch his presentation, leave a link in the comment description below. If you want to join Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader, where I learned this strategy, he's got a whole report on this that walks you through it, gives you more LETFs you can trade on other big volatile stocks, and there's a load of bank of special reports of all sorts of strategy in there if you want to learn options trading, where basically options trading allows you to make money whether stocks go up or down. Highly recommend it. Brilliant service. I've been a member for a couple of years. Yeah, made quite a bit of money with Larry's trades. Link in the comment description below. I do believe you can join for about 80% off currently. Great service, highly recommend it. Yeah, one of my favourite trading services out there. So join One Ticker Trader down below if you want to go into greater detail with this strategy. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you all soon.